Hello everyone, welcome to Forensic Hunt channel. Today I'll discuss about books which you can refer during your NTA UGC net preparation. Firstly, I would like to mention that this video is not sponsored at all. These books helped me during my preparation, so I thought making a video on this particular topic will be helpful for all the aspirants who are trying to crack this particular examination. We all know this exam is quite important from academic point of view. If you qualify this exam, then you are eligible to become an assistant professor in India, and if you qualify for the JRF, then you will be receiving fellowship for your PhD. So let's move ahead. So first I'd like to tell the different key points which I'll be discussing in this video. Firstly, I'll be discussing about books for paper 1, then I'll be moving to books for paper 2. Then I'll discuss the importance of note making. So for paper 1, I basically used KVS Madan book because this particular book has all the topics that you need for preparation of paper 1. It has ample amount of MCQs and previous year question papers. And we all know practice is quite important if you want to attempt the questions on reasoning, or if you want to uh, attempt questions on research aptitude or teaching aptitude. More questions you practice, more easier it will be for you to attempt those questions during exam. So firstly, I would like to remind that paper 1 syllabus has changed a lot. So if you're planning to buy this book, then try to buy the latest edition. And this particular book is enough for paper 1 because it has teaching aptitude, research aptitude, reasoning, and apart from the MCQs, it has reading material too. So you can read the material and then you can attempt the MCQs, or you can go for vice versa method. It totally depends upon you. Now let's move ahead for paper 2. For paper 2, I use these three books: B.R. Sharma, Narayan Reddy, and Skuggen Hola. Now I bought B.R. Sharma during my masters because it has all the topics, mostly all the topics which you study in your masters. And for instrumentation, since instrumentation is not there in the B.R. Sharma, I bought Skuggen Hola. Now Skuggen Holar has all the instrumentation techniques that you will be needing to crack the NTA UGC net examination. So I read the book and I made notes, and apart from that I also referred additional material that is present on the internet. Mostly I used to see videos on YouTube regarding certain instrumentation techniques because pictographic memory works in a good way. So I recommend reading the material, attempting questions, and apart from that you can also refer YouTube videos. And for forensic medicine and toxicology, I referred Narayan Reddy because this book has ample amount of material, and most of the techniques and drugs and toxicology techniques and terms are mentioned in this book. And apart from that, pictures are also there, so you can see the pictures, since we all know pictographic memory gets grasped in our brain, and it helps us in retaining the topic for a longer period of time. So apart from that, note making is quite important. If you don't make notes, then obviously you will try to recall the thing again and again, or you'll try to open your book again and again. But day before examination, opening your book and reading each and every material is not going to help. I recommend making notes. If you find any particular term or topic or any particular key term which you think that is important, then try to mention it in your notes, because day before examination that note will be enough for you to revise the things that you find important. So please do make notes. And then for revision, see, revision is quite important. If you have read all the reading material or teaching material that has been provided by your faculty, but if you have not revised, then nothing is going to help you, because until unless you don't revise, you don't know how much topic or a particular teaching material you have grasped. So here I have mentioned two techniques: active recall and practice. So what you can do is you can read the material and then you can test yourself by practicing MCQ questions, and after 2 or 3 days again try to attempt questions on the topic which you have read earlier, so that you can know how much topic you have grasped or retained and how much more work you need to do on that particular topic. Apart from that, you can also build a tree of learning. Like, there are so many key terms in toxicology and in forensic medicine which we tend to forget a lot. So what you can do is you can make a particular flow chart or a tree, and where you can mention all those key terms, and then you can try to remember it. It will help. These three things helped me a lot, and the books which I mentioned in this video, those books also helped me a lot in cracking the NTA UGC NET examination. Now apart from that, previous year question papers are quite important. Try to download all the previous year question papers and practice again and again, because we all know practicing questions is quite important, and moreover revising a particular topic or your notes is quite important if you want to crack this exam. Now if you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe it, and do provide feedback whether you like this video or not. Thank you.